Hello everyone and welcome back to the PandaOffice Drecov data recovery channel. Today we are gonna fix a very common and frustrating issue, SD card write protection. When an SD card is write protected, you can view your files, but you can't delete, edit or add anything. This can happen on both new and old cards, but don't worry, in most cases it's easy to fix. In this video, I will walk you through 4 proven methods, starting with the simplest and moving up to the more advanced solutions. By the end, one of these should solve the problem. I will also show you how to recover your files if anything is missing or accidentally deleted. Before we begin, a quick reminder: if your SD card contains important data, back it up first whenever possible. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Check the physical lock switch. Always try this first. If you're using a standard SD card or a micro SD card with an adapter, there is a small lock switch on the side. This switch is the most common case of write protection and is often moved by accident. Simply remove the card, slide the switch to the unlock position, then reinsert it into your card reader. Reconnect it to your computer and check if the problem is fixed. The steps takes just a few seconds, so always start here. Method 2. Remove read-only setting in Windows. If the lock switch isn't the issue, Windows itself might be restricting write access. First, connect the SD card to your computer. Find your SD card, right-click, and select Properties. If you see a read-only or write-protected options, uncheck it and apply the changes. Also, make sure the card isn't completed full. If it is, delete a few large files to free up space. Safely reject the card, reconnect it, and test again. Method 3. Clear write protection using command prompt. This is most effective. If the previous method didn't work, this one has the highest success rate. Insert your SD card, then press Win+R, type CMD, and run it as an administrator. Type Diskpart and press Enter. Now enter the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. List disk, select disk, replace the disk with your SD card disk number, attributes disk clear, read only. Once the process is finished, close the window, remove the SD card and reinsert it. Method 4. Registry Editor Fix, Advanced Users. If your system policies are blocking the SD card, this method can help. Be careful here. Only change the settings mentioned. Open the Registry Editor and navigate it to H key, local machine, system, current control set, control, storage device policies. If you don't see storage device policies, create it. Inside that folder, create a new dwart or quart value depending on your system. Name it Write Protect. Double-click it, set the value to 0 and save. Reconnect your SD card for the changes to take effect. Recover lost or missing files. After removing write protection, you may notice files that are missing, deleted or corrupted. In that case, PandaOffice Drecov can help you recover them quickly. Simply connect your SD card and launch the software. Choose Deep Scan and select your SD card. Once the scan is complete, preview your files, select what you need, and click Recover. Important tip: always recover files to a different device to avoid overwriting data. Write protection is designed to keep your data safe, but when it's struggled by mistake, it can be extremely frustrating. These 4 methods cover the vast majority of situations that should get your SD card working again. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical PS tips and data recovery guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.